Greetings, my excellent friend.
Hello, hello, hello. How are you guys doing today?
Hey, what are you doing?
Just working on our next video. What are you doing?
Do you know what time this is?
Oh, you should know that. It's 3:58 p.m. If you must know. Does that answer your question?
No, not that time. It's time for a giveaway.
Giveaway. Interesting. So what are you thinking of giving away, WJ?
Let's give away the Galaxy Alpha Light with the remote control.
Oh, cool. But you are going to do the giveaway, right? Is that a deal?
I can do it with little assistance from BJ.
Alright. Well, let's check with BJ here then to see if he's available. Hey BJ, are you free this weekend?
Let me check my calendar.
Alright. Take your time.
Okay, I am available on Saturday afternoon. Oh wait, I got Netflix series coming up this Saturday.
What? Netflix? What? When do you even have time to watch Netflix? Unbelievable.
Let's do it in the morning.
Okay. Did you hear that, WJ?
Yes, I did. By the way, BJ, what Netflix series you're watching?
Yeah, we want to know that.
Oh, you know, just a little of this, a little of that.
a little of this, a little of that. I like that. Anyway, okay, so it sounds like you guys have everything figured it out here. So we are going to make it happen, okay? So we are going to do the Galaxy Alpha Light giveaway.
I'll be back.
Alexa, ask Jibo something.
Oh, that doesn't sound too nice.
You what?
Hey Jibo, are we friends?
You're one of my favorites.
What about me? Alexa, talk to Jibo.
Hey Jibo, do you like humans?
Oh yes, people are my very favorite thing.